Order 6 that they relied on.
Minister,
Provide.
Honorable
Mr.
leader.
Speaker, official publication has been defined. A court
Leader.
a court
Leader.
a court process.
Leader. Honorable Minister. Honorable Minister.
Mr. Speaker, thank you very much. I've heard Eche and I've heard Honorable Minister for Interior. Mr. Speaker, what the minister did was to object to the question. Mr. Speaker, the order 80, the order 6,
Honorable leader.
Mr. Speaker, they must be tolerant. We've heard them. Mr. Speaker, he's argued twice. This is my second. Allow me. Mr. Speaker, Eche has argued twice on the matter. Please. When I finish and you rule, fine, let it go into answer. But hear me respectfully. And they must be tolerant. Mr. Speaker, you've had your time at the dispatch board. Mr. Speaker, official publication has been defined. This is what it says. Official publication includes any publication produced by or under the authority or with the sanction of
Minister.
Mr. Speaker.
No. Minister. No, Minister, please. No. Minister, the leader has at least 5 opportunity to ask supplementary questions. That is what.
You see,
leader, Minister, please.
You see.
Honorable Minister, please be tolerant a bit for us, please. I beg of you. Yes, Honorable
Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Minister.
Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, we've all seen what has just happened. Mr. Speaker, order 6 that they relied on.
Minister,
Provide.
Honorable
Mr.
leader.
Speaker, official publication has been defined. A court process.
Leader. Honorable Minister, you can't do that, please. Honorable Minister, you can't do that. Honorable Minister. No, Honorable, you have no right. Honorable Minister, I have no right to say you can't ask him to. Please, Honorable Minister. Yes, he's going to ask question. Honorable Minister. You. Honorable Minister. Honorable Minister thinks he's still a leader. Minister. Honorable Minister.
Mr. Speaker.
Yes.
Mr. Speaker, let's
take it cool.
Let's bring the tempo down. Mr. Speaker, let's bring the tempo down.
Yes.
My colleague, minority leader, I think that if we can just ask questions,
yes,
so that, because the Minister for Agriculture is also here, and we have statements to take. And indeed, at conclave, you requested for a couple of statements to be admitted, and they were admitted. And officially, we have just about 30 more minutes, because if we start sitting at 2, yes, and we must sit for 5 hours, we are supposed to end at 7. And so if you have all these questions that you have asked, and then you also have statements that should be admitted, I plead with you that you should just ask the rest of the supplementary questions so that we can move on to the next minister. This is a plea. So please, I'm pleading with you. No. Please, let's keep to the rules. Let's keep to the rules. Let's stick to the rules, Mr. Speaker, please.
Well. Honorable Minister, I beg of you. Please. No. Honorable Leader, please. Honorable Leader, you may ask your question, please. Well. Honorable members, we will bring a question directed to Honorable Interior Minister to a close.
What we call official publication, has it been defined by any enactment?
Honorable Leader.
And I say yes, Mr. Speaker, it has. And therefore, a court process that has been filed by a private citizen. Official publication include gazetting of documents. If you have your private document, however notorious that document may be known to the public, if it has not entered the gazette, it does not become an official publication. So for the minister to say that,
Honorable Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I will yield to your ruling. Yes. I've answered 3 important questions from the chair.
Yes.
If you rule that 86(1)(I) includes private court processes and that official publication include suits filed, Mr. Speaker, I will yield. Mr. Speaker, I will yield.
Yes,
Speaker, leader is a senior member of this house. He is a leader. Our standing orders defines what official publication is. And so with all due respect to him, when he's making some of these arguments, he should reference the rules. Official publication, Mr. Speaker, includes any publication.
What order?
Speaker, that is order 6 of our standing order, the interpretation provision. And it reads as follows. Official publication includes any publication produced by or under the authority or with the sanction of any arm of government, other state institution, organization, agency, association, society, and club. Mr. Speaker, a process filed at the court. No, there's no mention of gazette here. A process filed at the court, any court under the judiciary, constitutes an arm of government. And Mr. Speaker, let me offer further elucidation. Every court process are published. We call it cases slated for every day. And they are online under the judicial authority of this country. Every court, including even magistrate courts, the court processes with the title are published online. So my leader, he knows what to do. He knows that the direction given by the Honorable Minister is to mandate him to file a search. That's what we do at the registry of the court to determine whether or not indeed the matters that the Honorable Minister alludes to are actually pending before the court and their live cases. In any case, Mr. Speaker, under Order 212 of our standing orders, he has no power to compel the minister to produce documents. He has no such power. It's only a committee of this house that can do that. So sometimes we should do this and offer some elucidation. But 212 is very clear as to no, let's do this. Order 212, Mr. Speaker, with your permission, we litigated this matter just yesterday. And the first Deputy Speaker provided clear guidelines. Order 212 reads, a committee shall have powers, rights, and privileges of the High Court or a justice.
Honorable Speaker, Honorable Minister, are you in the position to furnish us with the court processes you are talking about? And what processes in particular are you making reference to?
Yes, Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I know my colleague is very much conversant with the rules of the House. This question is specific. Any other question that you want, you know what to do. And when you do it, obviously I'll be here to respond. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, Honorable Minority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, the Honorable Minister has been very elaborative in his answer. He's told this House that the issue is not about security, but about a court process, which process has more or less injuncted the collation and the declaration. Now, flowing from his own answer, did he become aware of who had filed that suit at the Supreme Court? And if so, can he make that available for our records? Because, Mr. Speaker, this is not a matter of requesting for information in writing. This is a matter of the minister's own answer. And this is a House of Records. Once you provide an answer and indicate that you are in possession of a document, we can only ask you to tender. If it is not here, then you can, with the leave of the House, bring the document at a later date. So, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, I don't take that as abusive. I don't take that as abusive.
Is it because he's your friend?
Mr. Speaker, I am making that statement for a good reason. You're saying that he can choose to bring it next year, when we are demanding of a document from a minister. No. What I'm saying is that because you are under the umbrella, there's nothing wrong with that statement. If it were to be an elephant, it would have been an issue. So you are saying that he will bring it next year. That's what you are saying.
Honorable member.
Your leader is sitting
Minister,
quietly reading the rules. And you are a backbencher abusing another leader.
Honorable Majority
after your member.
Honorable Majority, please.
I'm going after your member. No,
Honorable Majority
I want you to speak into the mic. I'm going after your member. Did you say that, Mr. Speaker?
Honorable Majority,
give him the space. It's very rich. It's very rich. It's very rich.
Leader, please address.